Tackling season 2 is going to be a challenge, but we're in the process of figuring out how to take it to that next level.
When it comes to season 2 of Concrete Combat, we have definitely had a lot of internal discussions about it.
I'm really looking forward to season 2. I'm just excited to kind of see where the show goes from here.
You will learn something not to do as well as how to use a proper material, and you're being entertained the whole time. What's better than that?
Bigger, better, bolder challenges.
We are not scripted.
For the record, nobody said action.
There's no stopping and resetting. It's go, 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 go.
We have not predetermined who's going to win. We've not predetermined who gets what challenge.
But you have to choose a winner.
Come get this belt if you want it.